Thank you for your purchase of the elegant Kingdom 3-tier Smoky acrylic lectern. This video has been created to help you assemble this beautiful lectern with ease. Just follow the simple steps that you see on the screen. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver or a power drill with a large flathead driver bit. It would also be helpful to have a small razor knife or a pair of scissors to open the boxes and unwrap the packaging material. If you are using a power drill to speed the assembly process, please be careful not to allow the drill to screw too tightly, as this may crack the acrylic. A variable speed drill is recommended. The Kingdom 3-tiered Smoky acrylic lectern comes in 3 boxes. One box has the base and top of the lectern, as well as the braces that hold up the top of the shelf section. There you will find a bag of screws that you will need to use to assemble the lectern. The second box contains the 6 pillars that fit to the base and hold up the shelf section. The third box contains the shelf section. Lay out the parts with the base in front of you, with the flat surface facing up, showing the brass sockets that are embedded in the acrylic. Take a pillar and place it on the base, lining up the holes with the brass sockets. Note that each pillar will have 4 brass sockets at the top end and 4 holes in the bottom. Take 4 screws and put a screw through each hole at the bottom of the pillar and screw it to the base. Do this for all 6 pillars around the base. Now take the shelf section and place it on the top of the 6 pillars. As you install the screws, you will need to line up the holes in the bottom of the shelf section with the brass sockets for each of the pillars. In order to help line up the holes, you may need to loosen the screws in the base to allow for some movement of the pillar. Be sure and retighten those screws once you have successfully screwed the pillar to the bottom of the shelf section. Once you have completed this stage, you can now take the 2 braces and screw them to the top of the shelf section. Note, when the braces are mounted on both sides, they must tilt with the higher end towards the front of the lectern. Now that the braces are in place, you can finish the assembly by screwing the top into place, ensuring the screw holes are lined up. Congratulations! You have completed the assembly of your Kingdom 3-tier Smoky acrylic lectern and are ready to have many years of enjoyment.